Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the ethical issues concerned with the recombinant DNA technology. Now first of all, what is ethics? Ethics is a set of the moral principles and standards by which a community regulates its behavior and decides as to the legitimacy or illegitimacy of an activity. So whatever activity a society performs, that will be controlled by the regulated by the ethics. Now what are bioethics? So bioethics is a set of the rules or the regulations that control the exploitation of the biological world. So the exploitation of biological world will be regulated by the bioethics. Now this is become more important because of the exploitation that is carried out by the biotechnology or recombinant DNA technology. Now because recombinant DNA technology, some feel that this is exploiting the living organisms, and after tailor-made crops and tailor-made animals, it may be the term of the formation of the tailor-made human beings. Therefore, the society has to decide whether to allow the biotechnologists to go into the realm of their creativity or not. So the major bioethical concerns connected with this exploitation of the biotechnology include: number first, the GM crops. GM crops are the genetically modified crops, and these crops are produced by inserting some genes into these crops. Now because these genes can result in intragenomic interactions and mutations, they can be more harmful than of any good. Therefore, in order to regulate the use of the genetically modified crops, Government of India has formulated a committee which is called as GEAC. GEAC stands for Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. So what is this? There are two jobs of this committee. The first job of this committee is that it takes the decisions regarding the validity of the GM research. So whether any GM research is valid or not, that decision is taken by the GEAC. So it takes decision regarding the validity of the GM research, number one. Number second, it also decides upon the validity and safety of use of the GM, genetically modified organisms. Whether a genetically modified organism is safe to use or whether it can be introduced or not, that is decided by this committee. So it also decides the safety and the use of the genetically modified organisms. Now number second ethical issue with respect to the recombinant DNA technology is that this recombinant DNA technology, it is responsible for introducing the genes into these crops, therefore making them pest resistant, but sometimes this can lead to formation of the superweeds. For example, the gene can transfer into the non-target species like the weeds, and this can result in formation of the superweeds, which will then pose much bigger problem than the original weed itself. Next ethical issue concerning this is that it violates the concept of the humanness. For example, because the transfer of genes from the human beings to specific animals and vice versa, therefore the concept of the humanness will be lost. Similarly, another ethical issue with respect to the genetic engineering is that this results in the transfer of the genes animals to the animals, and thereby reducing them to the mere factories. So therefore there are many who feel that this is the cruelty towards the animals, and the transfer of the genes or tailor-made animals or tailor-made crop formation dilutes the concept of the species as well. So we won't be able to decide whether it is belongs to one species or another species when an transgenic organism carries multiple genes belonging to multiple organisms. Similarly, this sometimes these biopatents or patents are given to certain such products that have been, which are produced through the traditional knowledge of the tribal communities and the societies, and therefore their livelihood is in danger. So their livelihood is in danger. Therefore again this is very important for the society or for the governments to regulate the exploitation of the animals, exploitation of the organisms, so that we get proper benefit.